One fine day, Uncle Mike was walking down the street. Suddenly, he felt a severe chest pain. He reached into his pockets and tried to get and obtain his medication. But it was too late. With Nightingale, however, this could have been prevented. When starting up Nightingale, it will first request for the user's age to set up the necessary health parameters. Different alarms can be enabled or disabled through the ergonomic user interface. Medicine reminder can be set through mode C as illustrated in the video. When it is time to eat medicine, the medicine alarm will be triggered. The vibrator will then vibrate vigorously to alert the user. Once the medicine is taken, the user will have to clear the alarm by pressing the 0 key. In exercise mode B, Nightingale can count the number of steps taken by the user and monitor his heart rate. Depending on his speed, Nightingale can determine if the user is running or walking. One other feature of Nightingale is that it can check the hydration level of the user and advise him accordingly. The user is required to blow for 5 seconds minimum in order to get a good reading. To check whether he is well hydrated already, he can do the test again. The GPS function of Nightingale device can be turned on and off by the user. When Nightingale detects that the heart is beating faster than normal, it will alert the user and his caretaker immediately. Nightingale will send the location coordinates of the user to his caretaker so that his caretaker can take the necessary actions.
Please dispatch ambulance to Jurong Street 65, Block 666B.
Okay, Roger.
And therefore, with Nightingale, precious lives can be saved.